Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Athifah Arif from 11 Natural Science 5. In this video, I would like to explain about the isomers of pentene. Pentene is an alkene with the chemical formula of C5H10. Alkenes isomers are different from alkanes, the one that I've explained in my previous video. Alkenes have two types of isomers, aliphatic and cyclic. We are going to dive in on the first one, that is aliphatic. The first isomer is a straight line with 5 carbons without a branch. We put the double bond on the first carbon, so it's called 1-pentene. Next up, with the same 5 carbons as the main chain, we put the double bond on the second carbon, so it's called 2-pentene. This particular isomer is capable of stereoisomerism, specifically in geometric isomers. How so? Here is the illustration. Here are the 2 carbon atoms that are apart from the double bond. The carbon number 2 has an ethyl group and a hydrogen, and carbon number 3 has a methyl group and a hydrogen. These 2 groups are different. These 2 groups are also different. If I switch the place for these 2 groups, it will be different from before, because the environment is different. The highest priority groups based on molecular mass on this side is ethyl, whereas on the other side is methyl. Let's put the 2 different 2-pentenes side by side to make it clear. These 2 high priority groups are opposites and different. This one is ethyl and the other one is methyl. So this isomer is known as E2-pentene. This other isomer is known as Z2-pentene because the high priority groups are close to each other and are different. We already found all the isomers with 5 carbons as the main chain, because if we put the double bond on the third carbon, it will be called 2-pentene, just like what we have discovered before. Now we move on to branch alkene. First with 4 carbons as the main chain, then the double bond on the first carbon and the methyl group on the second carbon. This isomer is called 2-methyl-1-butene because the main chain has 4 carbons and the double bond is on the first carbon. Next, we move the metal on the third carbon. This is called 3-methyl-1-butene. How about we move the double bond? Now we move it to the second carbon, and the metal also on the second carbon. It is called 2-methyl-2-butene because the double bond is on the second carbon. If we move the metal on the third carbon, it will still be called as 2-methyl-2-butene because then we are going to count it from the right. Now we move on to the cyclic isomers. Start with 5 carbons as the main chain. Now this is called cyclopentane. Next, with 4 carbons as the main chain and 1 metal to complete it, it is called methyl cyclobutane because it only has 1 metal. Next, 3 carbons as the main chain. We add 2 metals on carbon number 1. It is called 1,1-dimethyl cyclopropane. Next, we move one of the metals. So, for this kind of structure, we have to try to make the number as small as possible. So we count it from here, 1, 2, and 3. So it's called 1,2-dimethyl cyclopropane. Can we add an ethyl group? Of course we can. Just like the previous methyl cyclobutane, this one is called ethyl cyclopropane because it only has 1 ethyl group. For the 1,2-dimethyl cyclopropane isomer, this isomer has 3 different kinds of optical isomers. Before I explain the optical isomers of 1,2-dimethyl cyclopropane, I'm going to explain some terms about these isomers. The first one is chiral carbon. Chiral carbon is a carbon atom that is attached to 4 different types of atoms or groups. This particular carbon is unique because it has only one rotational direction, could be R or S. R is short from rectus, which means the direction is clockwise. S or sinister, which means the direction is counterclockwise. To know the direction of the rotation, we have to sort the 4 different types of atoms from the highest molecular mass to the lowest. And the lowest atom have to be on the back. Let's get into the optical isomers. The first one looks something like this. The metals are opposites, so it is a trans isomer. Bolder lines mean the atoms or the group is on the front, and the thinner line means the atoms or the group is at the back. There are two chiral centers in 1,2 dimethyl cyclopropane. The chiral center is attached to hydrogen, metal CH2H and CH3. And if we sort it from the highest to the lowest molecular mass, it will be CH3, then CH2H, metal, and lastly hydrogen. Let's look at the first one on the left. Based on the sorting that we have made before, this chiral center has an S configuration with counterclockwise direction. But notice that the hydrogen is on the front, so we have to put the hydrogen on the back. Why? Because hydrogen is the lowest molecular mass, so it has to be on the back. And it would look something like this. The correct configuration is R. Next, the direction is clockwise, and the hydrogen is already on the back, so it has an R configuration. And the name of this compound is trans 1R 2R 1,2 dimethyl cyclopropane. Next, still with the trans compound, but we switch the metal so it will look something like this. The chiral centers and all the groups attached to it is still the same from before. So, for the first chiral center, the direction is counterclockwise, and the hydrogen is already on the back, so it has an S configuration. The other chiral center's direction is clockwise, but the hydrogen is on the front, so we have to redraw it and put the hydrogen on the back, and it will look something like this, with counterclockwise direction, so it is an S configuration. The name of this optical isomer is trans 1S 2S 1,2 dimethyl cyclopropane. Lastly, for the cis isomer, whether we put the metals on the front or the back, it's still the same. So, to make it easier, let's look at the one with hydrogens on the back so we don't have to redraw it. The first chiral center's direction is counterclockwise, and because the hydrogen is already on the back, it has an S configuration. Next, this chiral center has a clockwise direction, and the hydrogen is already on the back, so it's an R configuration. For this compound, the name is cis-1R2S 1,2 dimethyl cyclopropane. That is all the isomers of C5H10. I hope I delivered this well. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.